So if we go through this process, we do the stem cell, how permanent is it?
Well, so I always say that nothing is permanent.
Yeah,
unfortunately,
I'm
right?
gonna go bald one day, right?
Well, no. Well, so with today's technology, you could keep your hair for a very long time.
Okay.
And so for our treatment, it's not just treatments, it's a program. Okay. So besides the injections that we'll be doing, we'll also be giving you a home regimen to follow. I always give this analogy. Say you go to a dentist, you get a dental procedure.
Like a cleaning.
And afterwards, the dentist tells you, okay, you have to brush your teeth every day now.
Floss.
So same thing, okay, with our program, during and after the treatments, you would need to do other things to help maintain the results, okay?
Okay.
So our whole body is all about maintenance, right? Can you imagine not brushing your teeth, not exercising, not eat?
What causes hair loss in the first place? I know I heard something like, is it DRT or what is
DHT.
the DHT?
So
okay.
yes,
I got it messed up.
So there are different types of hair loss. Okay, so there's genetic, hormonal.
Okay.
There's inflammatory. There's nutritional. So it could be stress-induced as well. Okay, but for men, I would say 90% of the time it's genetic.
Okay.
And the reason for that is you guys produce more testosterone, and DHT is a byproduct of testosterone. Okay, and DHT is studied to be the hormone that causes hair loss.
Right.
Okay, so in your home regimen, we would recommend a DHT blocker. Okay, so we can talk about this later. But right now, I think we need to figure out whether you are a good candidate first.
Okay, figure out that first. Okay.
Yes. Okay, and then we'll go over the at-home regimen.
Okay, so we're gonna do. Well, you tell me. What do we need to do to figure out?
Yes. So our consultation, we usually do a scalp analysis with this pro scope. Okay.
All right.
So not everyone would be a good candidate for stem cell therapy.
Okay.
Right. In order to determine that, we would do a scalp analysis where we examine your scalp and your overall hair health to see how many viable hair follicles you have. And to determine whether it's a good hair follicle would mean that if we see tiny baby hairs, or we call vellus hairs. Okay?
So if there's still some life there, you'll be able to tell me if you can resurrect it.
Yes.
We need the resurrection power of Jesus in here today. Okay.
So, all right. So let's take a look. What's your current hair routine at home?
So I was shampoo and conditioner every day, but I'm learning that that's might be causing the problem. Maybe that's too much. What do you think?
So most men have dry scalp.
Okay.
So it's actually good for you guys to wash your hair. I'm sorry. Most men have oily scalp.
Oily scalp.
So, yes. So
I was gonna ask you. I get shiny. It gets shiny up in here where it's gone. It's like shiny.
Well, so that could be a variety of reasons. It could be that a certain product that you use, or your hormone imbalance. But if you do already washing your hair every day, then that's usually what we recommend.
Every day?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought maybe like the shampoo and conditioner every day is too much stress on it, no?
No, not if you're using the right shampoo and conditioner.
Okay.
Yep.
So maybe that's it.
going back to the regimen I was talking about, we will also be including that.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're gonna hook me up with the good stuff.
Yes.
Okay, because I'm using probably.
Yeah.
I've heard. Okay, can we get into some conspiracy real fast? I've heard. No, I've heard this stuff like I don't know if it's the pharmaceutical industry or whatever, but like some of these shampoo companies, they also are the same company that owns Rogaine and all the hair treatment companies. So like, you might be washing your hair with some shampoo and it's falling out, and then they're getting you on Rogaine or whatever.
Yeah, could be. I mean,
Like they're the
I
same.
don't doubt it. Yeah, I don't doubt it. But when you shop for shampoo and conditioner, make sure you find products that are paraben-free and sulfate-free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Paraben
And
sulfate.
sulfate, yes.
Okay. All right. Paraben and
Yeah,
sulfate.
because that would be damaging for your scalp and hair.
Okay. I have no idea. I think I'm using. I don't even know what the brand is. I think it's a woman's shampoo though.
Okay.
So that might.
Is it from a drugstore?
It's a purple bottle.
Okay. I mean, nowadays,
I don't know.
you know, people have realized that paraben and sulfate are bad for your hair.
Oh, okay.
So I think they would kind of note it on the bottle.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll look.
Okay.
Well, I'm just gonna throw that away and do whatever you tell me to do.
Okay.